exhaust so bad. I need this thing louder. You made it. What's up, Rick? David? What's up, guys? They want you another video. Today we're getting the car smogged at my homie Rick's shop. We gotta get the car smogged because, as you guys know, I got the car out of state, and to register it into California, it needs to get smogged. I need to have a bunch of paperwork and all this other stuff, so the car's not registered yet. I don't have plates. I'm so scared to drive it, so I need to get it smogged and then hopefully go to the DMV and get it registered, so then I can finally start driving it on the street, because I haven't even got to like enjoy it, guys. Like, I haven't actually got to go like cruise anywhere. Especially with all the stuff that's going on in the world these days. Are we tuning it?
I'm tuning it. Making it slower.
It looks so clean, dude. You think I should wrap it?
No.
I know a lot of people don't want me to wrap it either. I like it black. I don't think I'm gonna wrap it.
You always want it black, right?
I know, I want it black. I'm gonna keep it for a long time all black.
Oh, you get paint job on this shit? I did that in my backyard. This shit's dirty.
Oh my. I hope this thing passes smog. Is it gonna pass? My M3, I don't know, bro, but this one should pass. It's all stock. And if you guys do need a smog, make sure to hit up my boy Rick. You guys have seen his Mustang in the vlogs before. It's that full bolt-on Mustang. We still need a race too. It's not bad for stock gun. Damn, I like all the little red accent everywhere, bro. The GTR passed the test. The car is officially smogged. Now I have to take this to the DMV, pay the whatever I need to pay to get it registered, which is I'm dreading because I don't know how much it's gonna be. Get some plates on the car, and we can finally start driving it everywhere and not have to worry about cops. Alright guys, it's a new day now. I want to go have a little photo shoot of the GTR today, get a couple photos, because I haven't taken a real like photo shoot of the car yet, and I need some photos for the upcoming merch that I'm gonna make with the GTR. So I need to go take some photos, send them to my graphic designer, and he's gonna create a sick ass hoodie for you guys. I can't wait. But a question that I've been getting every single day since I got the GTR, comments, DMs, comments on my YouTube videos, on my Instagram, everything. Like, I've been getting so many messages, so many people asking me, where is the M3? Guys, I sold it. I sold the M3. The M3 is gone. I no longer have it. I just I'm kidding, I freaking kept it. I have the GTR and I have the M3. Guys, check this out. This is literally like something I envisioned and I dreamed of for years. Like, it's insane. I literally have two of my dream cars in this garage. It's so freaking awesome. I can't even believe it still. I'm gonna keep saying that in every video, but I literally cannot believe this. GTR is looking all clean. M3, unfortunately, is ridiculously dirty. Like, I don't remember the last time I washed it. I should have had upscale detailing wash this too, but I really wanted to focus on the GTR. But this thing does need a lot of love. I need to start taking care of this thing more. I feel really bad because it is neglected. Like, now that this is here, I don't even know when I'm gonna drive it, but yes guys, I still have it. I did not sell it yet. Maybe like a month ago I posted it for sale, and it was just to test water, see if anybody was interested, and a few people were. Like, I think I got like 10 people contact me and wanted to come look at it, but I never showed it to anybody because I was too scared that they would come look and then have the money ready and I would have to just say goodbye. But for now, I have the M3, I have the GTR. And I don't know if I'm selling it yet, but we'll see, we'll see. A lot of people are worried too, telling me like, now you don't have the M3, now you're not gonna make no more BMW content. I subscribed for BMW content, and there's always gonna be BMW content. As you guys know, I still have the E46 M3 too. It's at 412 right now. It's actually almost done. We're gonna be doing another update video soon. At the end of the day, I'm an M3 fan. I love BMWs. All my friends drive M3s, so there's always gonna be M3s on the channel. Like I said, if you guys aren't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, because we have a lot of different content, a lot of like different variety of content too. We got like a M3 show car on bags and stuff. We have a GTR that I want to make very, very fast. This car I really want to do a lot of performance too. And then the E46 could be the drift car, the one that's fully built, 700 horsepower I think. I don't even know what it's gonna make. Quick little M3 update. This thing does need a car wash. I think the battery is dead. I need to get a new battery for this car. The lip, as you guys saw, I kind of messed up the front bumper and lip, and the wrap is peeling. This car needs a lot of love. I want to get this thing wrapped again soon. I don't know what color yet. If you guys got any color ideas, let me know. But I want to wrap the M3 again. I want to see if the E92 will even start. I haven't started this thing in a long time. Please start. Woo! Yeah. It's always gonna be the loudest one. Holy shit, I forgot how loud the M3 was. I do want to take this out for a drive soon because I do miss it. I'm not gonna lie. I put both the cars in front of my house just so I could take a sick thumbnail photo for you guys. But look at this, dude. Oh my god. It looks so freaking good. I don't know, which one are you guys picking out of these two? It's gonna be the hardest question, I think. But they look so freaking good together, guys. This is the first time I've got to see them both parked next to each other like this with the headlights on. It looks so freaking sick. The GTR is actually a big ass car. Like, that shit's big compared to the M3. I forgot to show this. The first mod I've done. I got this dope little key cover, all carbon fiber. Alright guys, about to have a little photo shoot from the GTR. I'm thinking right here, nice little sunset. Oh my god, the car looks so good. I think that should be good. I go in every single direction. I'm gonna do a full and show you guys how it drives and all that good stuff. But for now, I want to do like a couple pulls with the GoPro on. This will be like the first actual like GoPro footage of me driving the GTR. Hopefully we don't run into any cops because I still got no plates on the car. Pull all the GTR things up. The downshift sounds pretty good for a stock. Way too quiet, I know. It's a first gear pull. This is where it gets crazy. Oh my god, dude. I'm telling you guys, it gets to 100 so freaking fast. And it's so smooth, like, you really don't feel anything. It does not feel like you're doing 100. It's sick. The GTRs have all these gauges that read everything. Like, that's engine temp oil, transmission oil, all the coolant temperatures, like literally everything. This GTR tells you everything. Right here is the brake pedal, like how much brakes I use. Watch, I'll try to push it. That's the brake pedal. Boost. Acceleration pedal. Oh, this car is so much fun, bro. First gear is my favorite though. Like, it's really good. First gear is literally the funnest gear I think in this car. Since it's all-wheel drive, shit pulls you. I wanted to come take a picture at this little spot that I like going to. It is a little dark now, so it's probably gonna not be so good, but oh my god, dude, I'll never get over this car. And the headlights, so sick. Alright guys, probably a short video today. I just want to get as much content as I could out for you guys. Had a little photo shoot, put the GoPro on, did a little bit of some point of view footage. We're gonna do a full video soon, but I just wanted to show you guys a couple pulls with the GoPro. I hope you guys are enjoying this GTR content. Like I said, I'm gonna try to post as much as I could about it. Get as much content out for you guys. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.